Hello, good afternoon. My name is Marlis Alvarez. On this day, I will pronounce several word sentences contain vowel and consonants. 1. It is a white door. 2. I heard walk to school. 3. Sarah has an umbrella. 4. She buy a dress. 5. Joe can fly an airplane. 6. Robert plays with his dog. 7. She dances in the house. 8. Maria eats pizza every Sunday. Mario and his friends are very entertained in the game. 10. The wife that is taking Sofia has a lot of eyes. 11. Rice. Food is prepared in the kitchen. 12. That chair is hard. 13. Rice with chicken is the meal this afternoon. 14. I am under the university. 15. Luis likes vegetable. Thank you. God bless.